Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shafi Siddiqui and this is my first video on YouTube. Today we are going to try a makeup that is suitable for parties, weddings, birthday parties and cocktails and many more functions which you have to attend. If you don't know makeup and you're trying to figure it out, let's do it together. This is my series Figuring Out Makeup with Shafi Siddiqui. I have already done my skin prep with moisturizer, toner, serum and lip balm as you can see. My skin is already prepped, so let's directly move to the makeup part. I have a Mars brown lipstick. Since we don't have a eye palette or an eyeshadow, we'll directly go with the lipstick on. I'm taking a little bit of lipstick on my behind my hand and use a eyeshadow brush. This brush is from Vega eyeshadow. I'll just dab a little bit and see how it comes out. I think what I do is go directly under my eyes first with the myself. Go directly under my eyes first, then move on to my eyelids. This gives or enhances my eyes and really gives a beautiful shade. Actually, I saw this in a Pakistani series on our which is Ishq Murshid. You many people must have heard about it, right? The famous actor Zuri Chand. I love her eye makeup. I just love her eyes, and that's what I'm trying to make or try doing. I usually don't talk while doing makeup. I put on my music. Let's put on my music and continue. My mother usually scolds me for that, but a girl loves music and makeup at the same time. You can't be unfair to her. We are just going above. Put a small wing kind of structure to the eye. We'll go above with the eyelids and make it look like a siren. Trust me, guys, I'm not an expert in makeup, but I've seen a lot of videos of makeup, and I think I can trust myself with this. I think we should just trust the process and let's. I think I just stop talking. And glitters always add the effect. I'm again using Vega Eye Applicator brush. This also comes in a combo. Okay, I have this one stack of makeup product. This is really an amazing product. It has compact, it has concealer, it has blush, it has a bronzer and a highlighter at the same package, and it's really good. The application is really good. The concealer is my favorite. It matches my shade. It matches my it has the full coverage, and it's really good. Let me show you the highlighter which I'm going to talk about. The highlighter. This is what the highlighter looks like. This is what the highlighter looks. It's a pure bronze and glitter kind of effect, which will really match my eyes. Or we can go with the one highlighter I have. I'm sorry guys, I don't have glitter in my home. I'm homesick. Whatever. I have this one Inside Makeup Duo Stick 2-in-1. The highlighter is good, but it's kind of like the creamy shade. The highlighter is good, but the shade I think it won't match my eyes. The eye makeup which we have done. It's kind of creamy, but I think we can put it in the corner of the eyes. Let's go with this Cleva eye. It's really good, bro. It's really see. I took a tiny amount, as you can all see. We'll just zoom in and go with it. I was thinking to put in between the eyes, which will do a lot of things. Or maybe here. Do you all see that? That's what we are talking. That's what we say a highlighter does. This is what I'm talking about, bro. So good. We're going to spread it to the outer corners or the outer lid of the eye. Yeah, exactly like that. And then go back a little to the inner corner. We are doing this in a minimal way, like a teenager who is afraid of makeup, or it's like a beginner friendly makeup, right? See, I don't know a lot about makeup. All I've seen is on YouTube, like a few videos of Monica Ravi. She's my favorite creator and I love her videos. But we're doing it. We're doing it. Let's go. I think I have 1 minute left. No. Is it good, guys? Tell me in the comments because I'm waiting to do this for a long time and finally I did it. Okay, let's go directly to the kajal part. I'm going to use this iconic kajal by Lakme. First with the waterline of my eyes. We'll go within the corner of our eyes too. we're not doing those desi, wedding kind of makeup. We are doing something which is common in birthday parties and wedding too. And then I'll go with the upper layer. I learned this trick from Instagram. I'll just close my eyes and do my work. See? It's done. Just like that, it's done. Now you just have to a little bit press it or a little bit flare it against your eyes. The kajal part is done. Like, it's not completely done. Okay, I have the same eyeshadow brush I used for applying the eyeshadow with the rest part. I'll just go and kind of I'll just try to make a smoky eye kind of thing with this. What do you all think about the eye makeup? I think it looks cute. It looks it gives kind of that party vibe and all. So, bold liner mascara. As you can see, I've used it a lot because not huge, just thin. Perfect. I should not talk while lining my eyes. It's completely. I think it should be illegal to talk while lining your eyes. Yeah, okay. As you can all see, I have no eyeliner. Let's fix it. What do you all think about the eye makeup game? Do you think my eye makeup game is strong? I'm going to use this Maybelline. What is this? Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. It's one of my favorite concealer. I've been using it for since like 6 to 7 months maybe, but I have only used this. Trust me. I don't have any concealer other than this, and it's one of those best concealer which I have. I'll give you a good advice. Only have minimal makeup products, but let it be branded or costlier. This will outdo your makeup game. I think I have few discoloration around my mouth, which I'll fix this with this Age Rewinder concealer. Done. We'll let it sit for a while. Then we'll come back with the foundation. Okay, it's been 2 to 3 minutes. Let's just go with the hand. I have two sponges. I have this one from Mars. I was told, okay, I never knew that it was going to be this small. But anyway, I just go directly with my hand because one of the best techniques which I have learned from those makeup vlogs or shorts. See, I know the concealer is not the right shade for me, but I was told this is the shade Sand, I think. This is made in China, made in New York. Anyway, this is not my right shade, but I still use it because it's one of those good coverage. It's one of those good coverage, and I love it. Yeah, it's done. Now we're ready. Okay, I have 2 to 3 foundations with me. One is this Mama Earth, as you can see, the Mama Earth Glow Foundation. I have this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, shade 123. And then I have my one of the most favorite foundation with me right now. It's the Tir Cushion Foundation in the shade 24N Latte. I can just dab See, this much. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little on nose, little on side, and just go with it. It has really high coverage and completely fit for what we are doing, which is a party makeup. Okay. I recommend you all to just go dab right into your face rather than smudging it with your hand or any cushion. I told you it's a perfect match, a perfect foundation. One of the tips which I got from most of the makeup videos which I saw is is putting on this makeup fixer, or what you say, setting spray after most of your steps, and then going directly at the end. It tends to give a glowy finish look for your face, which I truly believe because I've tried it many times. Just okay. I'm using this Inside Cosmetic uh, two in one stick, and I don't know the shade. It's not written anywhere, so figure it out yourself. If you want to do a better contour, suck your cheeks and go by making a type of slimmer face. This is not perfect, but it's good to go. Yeah, it's good. Then we'll go a little in the nose. Fuck. Sorry. Then a little this side. If you want to define jawline, just don't go beneath the jawline, go with the jawline. Yeah, like one line should go beneath, one line should go below, and one should go up front. Yeah, we are done. I love to use my hands for contouring and concealing because it's the best applicator you can find it. Brushes are good. See, I'm not against any brushes or sponges, but I find a little more easier with with fingers. While defining a jawline, go below with the fingers. This one you have to go straight and then below. First go with the lines, then smudge it below your jawline. It's the perfect way to achieve a perfect jawline. I mean, this is what the makeup tutorials told me to do. What do you all say? Contour, see, makeup is not supposed to look like you have done makeup. It's supposed to look natural but also give a complete, glam finish look. And this is what it is giving. It doesn't seem like we have done a lot of makeup, but also it's completely natural and beautiful. Okay, right now I'm going to go directly with the blush and I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade 30 Cockatish. You can all see that. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't care. I'll go directly here. See, I'm an oval face. I should go here above my cheekbones, but today we are trying something different because it's figuring out with Shafi Siddiqui. Okay, I'll go right under my eyes, but also near the cheekbones. Yeah, perfect. Wait, we need more. And a little on the nose, and a little bit on the chin. I'll suggest you to take a brush. Again, this is a Vega blush brush. It's a really good brush. You could also choose, like, you could also take a sponge or go with your hand. I mean, go with your fingers. It's completely okay. See, I'm an olive, fair to medium tone skin girly, and my undertone is olive. Okay, what am I saying? Sure. You're not going to blend it outwards. You're just going to blend right where the shade is. I look like Gujarati. Anyway. And then when you go outwards with the little tint that is left in the brush. The chin is done a little in the forehead, that is the simple brush. The blush that is left in the brush, we'll just go with that. Is it giving like grunge makeup? I have heard a lot about grunge makeup and people are crazy with it. For lip liner, I have this Swiss Beauty Bold Lip Liner in the shade... Wait, what is the shade again? I think, yeah, it's the shade 6 Cherry Brown. See. Okay, I'm using this Dot and Key Plump Lip Mask right now, and I think we should remove it and go with the lip liner right now. I have double upper lip lines, which is what I heard in a video, and it's difficult to line your lips when you have double upper lip lines. It looks a little bit orange in the camera for some reason, but it is brown. Now we are going to fill the inner corners of the lips. I have a lot of lipstick, guys, and as a beginner, I think I do have a lot. I don't overconsume, but okay. This one is MAC Jade Shaker. My first luxury product and my first ever luxury MAC lipstick. My first ever MAC lipstick. I brought this in some random store and it's a really pretty shade, but I don't have the shade name. Look, it smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla cake. I love the smell. I want to eat it. Look, it's so cute. It's a kind of like orange, pink, reddish kind of tone. I have this. I can tell me. I can either go with this. Okay, so once you apply this lipstick, you're not going to smudge it. You're not going to do that. The best decision of my life was to bring this MAC lipstick and just look at my face. Just look at my lips right now. It's perfect. Oh, okay. This is MAC's again Lakme Iconic mascara, volume mascara. I do not apply much mascara, but I'm just going to a little bit dab. We have this Sugar Cosmetics Arc Arrival Brow Definer 04 Flix Onyx. Did I spell it right? Yeah, Felix Onyx, whatever. So cute. It's my first time. I bought this recently for just this video. So I'm just going to shape my brow. I'm not going to use the pencil here because my brows are completely perfect. Is this good, guys? It looks good, and I'm not regretting any of my decisions right now, except I think I should do better with the eye makeup. Let me, like, guys, tell me in the comments, what should I do? What should I do to improve this makeup? What should I do the next? And I'm thinking of like everyday makeup routine kind of thing, or everyday skincare, because I'm obsessed with skincare. And I'll tell you guys, my skincare game is on top. Like, as a teenager, as a 17-year-old, skincare game is a must. So that's it for the video, guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe my video and my channel and whatever they say during the outro. But I love you guys, and I'm going to post many videos right like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll keep making these videos until and unless I don't reach like 5,000 subscribers, and then we'll change the topic and you guys will tell me what to do next. Okay, see you everyone. Bye bye. I love you.